fishaholics and bassaholics out there. Me and my brother Justin, we're going on a little fishing trip. Alright, going with the Guggen crack and crawl on the shaky head.
So I'm not, I don't know how to do it like that. He's like, yo, I can cast so far, look. Zips it out there going up and
Fish on. Fish on. There he is. There he is. Oh, he's a nice one too. Good morning, bass. Come on in. On the Guggen crack and crawl. A nice little 2-pounder. Nice little bass, look at him. Justin, first fish of the day. There he goes. Nice bass. Ooh, that's a good one. There you go, brother. That is what I'm talking about. Lizard's the way to go, see? Nice bass, brother. Nice bass. Hell yeah. That thing's beautiful too. Hold it up sideways. Get a good picture. Get the shadow out of there. That's a beautiful bass. There you go. That's a nice 2.5, 3-pounder right there, brother.
It's my butt pocket. My fish ain't.
Oh, you gonna send it to your buddy?
Yeah.
Like the lizard always works. I got you. I know you don't have to unlock your phone. I just have to go to the camera. Oh, I got a fish on. Fish on.
You know what? Just send me that one.
That little ass thing hit me. Here you go, Justin.
That was good.
I got that on video too. Okay, little guy. I got you. That was awful brave of you, buddy.
Big lizard, big fish. Bro.
Look at that. Look at that.
Ooh, nice little dinkeroo.
Yeah, little dinkaroo. Little dank stank right there. I have some dude wipes in there, in the top right pouch. Little dink, little dink. Nice. Yeah, nice little bass. Thank you for taking my worm. All right, get on, get at it. Fish is on.
Oh, Oh, stay down, stay down. Stay down.
Oh, he's a big one, Justin. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass.
That's nice, dude.
Jump, come on, jump. Give me another head thrash. He's nice. There you go, brother.
Help me out. I can't get my line.
Woo, look at him.
That's a beauty.
Good fish. Got my first boat in. Woo! He's a big one. Damn, he's strong too. Damn, sure wish I had my grippers, brother. Damn. Yeah, it's a bowfin.
You got fire?
I got my hook release.
They got teeth, bro.
This thing is a feisty guy. Man, look at that guy. My very first bowfin. Just like that.
This thing's got power, brother.
Yeah, he does. He didn't put up much of a fight in the water.
I didn't know that. I definitely don't want to leave this spot now.
Yeah, it's been a good weekend for you.
Really Saturday. All two I did, I went to the dispensary, made a bunch of fucking.
Got a good deal.
Man, dude, I got an excellent deal. You caught 3 bass.
Two bass and a bowfin. You got 2 bass.
Them bowfin are fun fights, ain't they?
He didn't really fight.
Really? The one I caught it on a rattle trap.
It was weird. So I was like, what is this? It like didn't fight at all.
You pulled it out.
We have some of them in Florida.
Yeah, South Florida.
Man, snakeheads can be found all the way up to Virginia.
Really?
Yeah. And further than that, I think you can find them in Pennsylvania.
I think so.